So I got this brow thing in the mail. As you can see, I don't have any because I plucked them to shit in high school. So I got this brow thing. We're gonna see, it's almost like, it's like a stamp. Like you just like stamp it on and
it comes with stencils.
So I've picked my brow and we're gonna see what it does. Okay, so we're gonna come through with this thing and we're gonna make sure that my 5 hairs are in place. Great. This is what the stamp looks like. It's got a little flower at it. It's cute, it's cute. So now I assume we just place this on as we would. Okay, we're gonna go in. Oh my god. This feels super weird. Super weird. I really hope it works though. I have hope. Okay. 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 All right, we're gonna do the other one. Make sure it's not like a farce. Okay, well, now it's decided to not work. So I have one really good brow and one that doesn't exist. All right, well, I got a little wet, so let's give it a second try because we're all about those over here.
What the fuck?
Okay, well, if you're all about the one eyebrow look, then this is for you. But if you have a second eyebrow like most humans, it's not gonna work. Somebody's got a lawsuit on their hands. All right, I guess I rate it a 2 because it gave me one eyebrow.